and the world grew so much smaller. Then suddenly it was only you and I. There might be a chance